Hi, welcome to tED. I'm going to take you through the online tool and report today. You've already heard from Chris and Jenny about the ethos and how tED was created. tED's an easy-to-use online improvement tool that works over the course of 3 phases. Let's start you off with phases 1 and 2. To get started, you just need to book in a walkthrough with one of our tED specialists. Once that's done, we'll be able to sign you up with your nhs.net account to be able to access your ICS and your acute sites. Once you're in, you just need to find those acute sites that you're going to input the data. This is usually done with your DOS lead and the UEC commissioner. Don't worry, it only takes about 30 to 45 minutes, and they usually work together to complete this. Here you can see the Hospital tED tab. It's very intuitive and it's easy to use. Here you can see Hospital 1. Don't worry, you don't even need to complete this section. This will be done by our tED team. You can see below that it has drop-down menus with question and answer such as yes or no. There's also some areas to put in some standard working hours and some additional DOS information. The commissioners just need to say yes is above, yes but different to above, or no. We'll take you through more details with the DOS lead and the commissioners. The second phase is a bit of a supportive check and challenge. Once this has been completed, don't worry, we're going to be here with you every step of the way. We'll make sure that all your data is correct and up to date. Once you've completed phases 1 and 2, let's talk about phase 3. Phase 3 works in a wider virtual session with multiple partners working across this, as you can see on the screen. So once you've completed tED, what's next? What we do is we provide a bespoke reporting system for you to be able to outline your opportunities that come out of your phase 3 session. You can see a couple of snaps of them here on the screen. Once you receive this report, we'll be able to take you through to identify opportunities that align to your in-hospital areas, your out-of-hospital areas, and your admission avoidance areas. You can see here on the screen that we've also now aligned the UEC recovery plan as a primary column and a secondary column. This will allow you to start to prioritize some of those areas. If you have any more questions, contact us around tED. You'll hear more about it today.